Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. Today in this session, I will tell you about my study plan and project plan. So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Semia Faki. You can call me Hilmi. I from 9th grade. Okay, and then first, my name is Semia Faki. Okay, and then before that, we all know that good education is something that is very important for every student in Indonesia. But the problem is that there are many problems the students in Indonesia have, such as like more than 9,000 children in Indonesia got food poisoning from school meals in 2025. And then and many students that they cannot go to school because many problems. For example, like their region, their access, and their money. Okay. Then things I have prepared for my study plan. First is intention. I already have a good intention for study in this other school for be a better person and have a good future. And then I have some experience in project design, coding, and teaching, and the other. And then I thought I have a little good English, pretty good English. My English is still little, but I already better than before. Then I when I elementary school. Because when I elementary school, my English was bad. Okay, and then the fourth and last project that I have ever made. The project like design, coding, and the other is make a good experience for me, so I can be a better in the future. The next, my study plan. So my study plan after elementary school first is SMP Idean Boarding School. Why I choose SMP Idean Boarding School? Because when I was elementary school, my parents want me to school in pesantren or in boarding school, but they have free to me to choose the school, and I choose IDN because I like IT. Okay, and then the third is and then after SMP is SMK Al Hadid. SMK Al Hadid is in it's not boarding school, and what I choose in here because my parents just choose to here, and I see the school is good. It's good, and I will choose the jurusan electro. And then after SMK, I don't want to just work. I want to uh, go to university, but I still searching for the university. But not that. This. And for the university, I have a target of a plan. First is University of Tokyo because why I choose that because I was want to school in university that was outside of Indonesia. So why I choose outside Indonesia because it can make me for a good experiences and like that experience, and I want to live in outside. And then second is Islamic University of Medina. Why I choose this because I see if you was enter this university, you will very easy to get the work and other. And then the last is University of Indonesia. So if I cannot go to university is in outside of Indonesia, I can choose this. Why I choose that? Because in University of Indonesia is a what is a best university is in Indonesia. Okay, and then I will tell you the work. So as you know, there are a lot of layoff of worker in Indonesia. So if you work in Indonesia, so many people that get a PHK and cannot work freedom, cannot work as free as they want, because if they want to work, there are so many, because in Indonesia there are so many people that didn't work, cannot work, because their study and their plan is not good, and their asset and their support from Indonesia itself. Okay, and then my project plan. So after I go to SMK or after SMP, I want to be a freelancer worker, like design maker, web maker, animator, and edge. So like if why I want to become freelancer, because you can just work in anywhere, in home, in school, in restaurant, in cafe, and other. You can just chill and just need to what? Just need to wait customer, and then or working on in an IT company abroad. Why? Because I want to work in outside of Indonesia, because like I said before, if you live in Indonesia, you will get some many experience, and if you work in the company abroad, you can get so many money from the work. Okay, and then after that, my project plan again is make or be a manager of ethical company. Why? Because I want to make a company for that make a ethical company, like that produce a useful machine for our communities. So the company is produce like for example genset, and the machine that I can that what can make a good water, clean water. Why? Because in rural communities, so many people that didn't get electric or clean water. So I make a company that produce a machine. And then my experience in IDN, I have the daytime teaching in the outside of school. My first teaching is with K in his elementary school, and the second is with uh, itu the second, but yeah, with Faki, and the third is with K2 in MTS, and then experience is in N2. I say before is like project that I have met. Like for example, in coding is like Scratch, Flutter, and uh, in IoT there is like uh, smart home and other. And in design, I have so many experience, like make a poster, infographics, Instagram post, and then UI UX mobile app, and then I have met to 3D design in this 3D design with spline, and uh, I will still I will learning about the design and the coding. Uh, oh yeah, and if I was go to university, my plan is want to take business, because why? Because I want to make, like I said before, I want to make a company, so I need to learn about a business in university, and then a business, or and then one again is what an IT jurusan IT, so make me better in IT. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Sorry if I have a mistake. If there's a mistake, it's come from me and Satan, and That's was a good word. That is come from Allah only. Okay, that's I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.